Dito kami sa bahay ni Tita Linlin. Oh, Nanay is driving. Ayan, ikot-ikot muna kami.
Ikot-ikot. Tsaka nagpa-practice on drive.
Nanay is practicing driving here with Tita Linlin Subdivision.
Ay, eto rin sila.
Yeah, Kuya Yusuf. Now you saw Nanay driving only?
Yes.
Oh.
Meron din dito, oh. Nagpapa-repair. Sila yan, di ba?
Wala. Hindi, iba yan.
Ay, iba pa yan.
Oh, technology eh. Oh.
Hi, Chris.
May ano.
May Christmas party sila.
Alhua. Sila na. Hindi daw siya marunong mag-drive, oh.
Snowman and
Okay. Wala niya. May mga sasakyan na rin pala dito sa gitna ng kalsada. Ano? Oh, tapos nakapaglinis pa nga si Kuya. Oh, kapag-car wash pa.
Parang home service ata yan.
Oo nga.
Ay, tingnan mo ito, Kuya.
Ay, look at the dogs. Oh, Siberian Husky. Oh, may nagpapagawa ng bahay dito sa kabila.
Ito, no, tingnan natin. Bago to eh.
Kuya Yusuf, you like Nanay driving the car?
yeah.
Wow, I like it. Ooh. So tatay will take a rest, yeah?
Tingnan mo, oh, walang mga nakatira.
And Nanay will drive a car only.
Yeah.
Ayan si Nanay. Ay, sarap naman. May driver na. Oh.
Yung iba talaga, parang hindi na po. Tulad nito, oh.
Wala yung may-ari niyan. Baka nasa abroad din.
Ito, hindi pa nila pinatayuan.
Ito, land pa lang. Mostly yung makikita mo mga kupas na ganyang pintura. Ganyan. Mga nasa abroad ang may-ari niyan.
Oo nga.
Nabili na, hindi na alagaan.
Dulo na to eh. Ito yung mga nakikita pa natin dati.
Oo, di ka naman. Naka-lowered na.
Oo nga, no.
Oh. Today is December 21, 2025. Birthday ni YP.
Liko tayo dito.
Ano na? 18
gusto mo dumiretso?
a.m.
Tingnan natin yung dulo.
Sige po. Later we're going to Sky Ranch later. Oh, laki nga
Parang
nito.
2 unit, 3 unit. No?
Oo nga. Ang dami mo.
Laki ng bakante, oh.
Oo nga, Oh. Pwede ka pa magpatayo ulit
Siguro
na.
3 anak niyan.
Anak o asawa? Malalaki pa ba dito? Malalaki pa ng lupa.
Ayun na doon na.
Ismael!
Sinusundan tayo ng aso.
Love you.
Ang hirap na.
Where are we going, Kuya Yusuf?
Take Skyline!
Wow! Because it's Nanay's
Birthday!
great job! Yeah, so see you in a bit, Sky Ranch. It's 3:18 p.m. local Philippine time. Ayan.
Philippine time?
Yes po.
What is that?
Ha? Ayan, 3:18.
Jason!
Jason! Ayun yung mga model house. So hot. Alhamdulillah, there's no rain. Yeah?
Yeah. Because I can...
Otherwise, we cannot go outside today. Yesterday, too much rain. Yeah? Rain, sunshine, raining, every day, every minute, every second. What is this, Philippines? Oh.
Then, yesterday, I'm biking with Daddy in the park.
Yeah, with baby Ismael, yeah?
Yeah. Then, Daddy hits me.
Yeah, and then you?
Full time.
You know, Nanay Kuya Yusuf fall down po.
Yeah. How come?
Because I hit you.
I will hit you.
Hmm?
You're playing kasi, then I'm gonna hit you.
No.
I'm
So,
hitting
kaya panda
you.
yung kay Wilma Das.
Oo nga. I-check natin mamaya pag-akit natin. Ha? Wow! 3:15. So, expect the heavy traffic. Today is Sunday pa. Sunday, di ba? So, yan. Going up and going down. Ano, tingin ko it's traffic. Uh-oh. It's one way. One way or another. I think going up is not that much traffic. Yeah, kuya?
Yeah.
Oh, only going down. Later pa naman. When Lola... Aha! When we reach home, Lola Mommy's there. Yeah, nanay?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, there's a sheep. Careful, there's a sheep.
Okay po. When you grow up, you will drive for us, okay?
Yeah.
Same like Kuya Mo.
Same like Kuya Mo. Now, Kuya Mo is driving in Dubai.
And also, Kuya Ali.
Also, great job. Also, Kuya Ali. You, Paul Hendricks, Silver, Kuya Hendricks, all of you will drive for us, yeah? Job. And also, Ismael. See, bye-bye guys. We'll come back soon. See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.
Ayan, dito na kami sa Chicks ni Otit. Ayan, buti na lang nagpababa si Bunso. Order na kami.
Dito ba?